Welcome students. We are continuing our exercise 3.5 from question number 2 till question number 1, that are the true false we have done earlier in the previous class. So the question number 2 is there are here are two different factor trees of 60. Write the missing numbers. Now this is the factor tree, that is 6 into 10 is equal to 60, but this and this number are missing. Now we'll solve them separately. First take out this unit and then later we'll solve this unit. First of all, this unit, this is the multiply in this between. Whenever the number is being splitted in two, then there is a invisible multiply sign in between. That means 2 should be multiplied with what, so that we can obtain 6. For many of you it's so simple कि ये तो हमें आता है, but you have to explain this thing properly. Okay, there is no rectification will work, because most of the student tries to learn the solution. You cannot learn, you have to explain this, and to explain, first of all you have to learn how to explain this on paper. So I'll explain this. 2 multiply with what, so that I'll obtain 6. The technique is, send the 2 below 6, that is in division form, and when we divide 6 we'll obtain 3. So the missing number is, for first section, is 3. Second case, so that we can write 6 into 10 and the first blank is filled. Now the second case, 5 multiply with what, so that we can obtain 10. Send the 5 below 10 and then solve it out. 5 2s are 10, divide this and you will obtain 2. So the second missing number is 2. कई स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ऐसा होगा कि पहले ही अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा कि सर यहाँ पे 3 आएगा, यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, बट आपको डायरेक्ट उसको सॉल्व नहीं करना है. वॉट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू शो दैट, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दैट कि यहाँ पे ये 2 या ये 3 ये किस लिए आया. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दिस सॉल्यूशन. आई नो दिस इज लेंथी. Never try to choose shortcuts, because shortcuts will lead you for the loss of marks. Don't go that way. You have to understand the things, so that you can explain that things back to the teacher, back on the paper, and you could obtain proper marks and get the concept clear in your mind. Okay. Second question, the B part. 30 into what is equal to 60, 10 into what is equal to 30, and then the sprint. There are 3 cases. Okay, 4 missing number and 3 cases are there. Case number 1, case number 2, and case number 3. So the first case, what should be multiplied with 30 so that we can obtain 60? It's very simple. Use the same pattern which I told you in the previous page, that is 30 divide 60, you will obtain 2. So the first missing number is 2 over here. Second case, 10 should be multiplied with what to obtain 30 is equal to, repeat the procedure, you will obtain 3. So the second missing number is 3. Case number 3, this is quite different, because in all the previous cases only one number was missing. Here 2 numbers are missing. So what we'll do, we'll take out the factors of 10, that is 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself. But generally in case of composite number, there is a rule. The next question is just about this. In case of composite number, you cannot use 1 and 10 as prime factors. So therefore I will use 2 and 5 as prime factors. So the missing number for the third options are 2 and 5. So finally what we obtain, the missing number 1 is 2, 3, 2 and 5. Okay. Now the question number 3. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of the composite number? This I have highlighted. Composite. In case of composite numbers are the numbers other than prime numbers. Okay. So in case of these composite numbers, you cannot use 1 and the number itself for the sake of calculating prime factorization. This is a theoretical answer. I just written it over here. I'll send you. Next is, write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in the terms of prime factorization. The greatest 4-digit number is 4 times 9, that is 9999. When I'll took up the prime factorization, I'll do it with 3. As we know, it's clearly divisible by 3. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are, and then 3 1 ja 1 ja 1 ja, 11 11 1 ja 11. When you are taking two digits back to back, then you have to put 0 between them. दिस इज वेरी रिमार्केबल पॉइंट. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स यहीं पे गलती करते हैं. अगर ये चीज़ ना पता हो तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे 11 इंटू 11 लिख देते हैं. 11 1 जा दिस, 11 1 जा दिस. बट जब भी आप दो डिजिट्स एक साथ कंसिडर करते हो, पहले दो डिजिट फिर वापस से दो डिजिट्स, तो बीच में 0 लगाना पड़ता है. ऑलराइट, नाउ 101 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, देयरफॉर वी विल पुट 1 एंड देयरफॉर द ऑब्टेन्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आर 3 into 3 into 11 into this. First way is this. Second, if you have been asked to represent the same answer as a factor tree, you can do it in this way. 4 times 9, 9 into 4 times 1. Now you can split 9 into 3 into 3 and 4 times 1 into 11 into 101. These are the same factors. Same factor use we have obtained. Prime factorization of 999 we have obtained above. Okay. Question number 5. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express in the terms of prime factorization. The smallest 5-digit number is 1 and after that all the numbers are 0. Okay. Next, the prime factorization. As I told you, when the ones digit of any number is 0, you can divide it with 2. So we'll keep on dividing with 2 until the units place value is 0. 2 5000 ja, 2 2500 ja, 2 1250 ja, 2 625 ja. Now that is 5. Now you have to use another number, that is 5. 5 125 ja, 525 ja, 5 5 ja and 5 1 ja. Therefore the required prime factorization of 10,000 is this. And to make the factor tree of 10,000, you can write 16 into 625. How? See, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125, 125 5 ja 625. Therefore 16 625. Therefore I write here 16 into 625. Now 16 can be splitted as 8 into 2, 8 can be splitted as 4 into 2, 4 can be splitted as 2 into 2. 625 can be splitted as 5 into 125, 125 can be split 5 into 25 and 25 can be split 5 into 5. Okay. इसमें एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना आप लोग कि एक साइड में ऐसा नंबर लिखना जिसको फर्दर स्प्लिट नहीं किया जा सकता. जैसे मैंने सारे 2 एक साइड लिखे हैं और सारे स्प्लिट होने वाले नंबर एक साइड पर लिखे हैं. सेम केस ओवर हेयर, मैंने 625 का जब स्प्लिट किया है तो सारे स्प्लिट होने वाले नंबर राइट साइड में लिखे हैं. सी, जो न स्प्लिट होने वाला नंबर है वो लेफ्ट में लिखा है. मेंटेन दिस ऑर्डर, मेंटेन दिस पैटर्न. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड ऑल प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 1729 एंड अरेंज देम इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ स्टेट रिलेशन इफ एनी बिटवीन द टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव प्राइम फैक्टर्स. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 1729. आई विल टुक अप विद 7. व्हाई? अब सवाल ये आता है कि सर आपने 7 कैसे चूज किया? हाउ कुड यू जंप टू डायरेक्ट 7? दिस इज अ ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड एंड प्रीवियसली आपको डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट भी बताया गया है. अब उसमें क्या है, देखो, क्योंकि यूनिट्स वाली प्लेस पे इवन नंबर नहीं है तो 2 से तो डिवाइड हो नहीं सकता. सेकंड केस, इसको ऐड ऑन करो. 9 2 11 11 7 18 18 प्लस 1 19. तो इनका जो सम है वो 19 आ रहा है, जो कि 3 का मल्टीपल नहीं है तो 3 से नहीं हो सकता. अगला प्राइम नंबर कौन है? 5. यूनिट्स प्लेस पे ना तो 0 है ना 5 है, देयरफॉर ये 5 से भी नहीं हो सकता. अगला प्राइम नंबर कौन है? 7. आई ट्राइड विथ 7, देयरफॉर आई ऑब्टेन 249. नेक्स्ट इज 13. वाई? क्योंकि ये 13 के अलावा किसी भी नंबर से नहीं डिवाइड होगा. ओके. सेम केस 13 19 जा. अगेन अ प्राइम नंबर इज ऑब्टेन, देयरफॉर द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर इज 7 into 13 into 19. नाउ द रिलेशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. 7 is less than this is the ascending 7 13 and 19. Now the relation between these prime factors, the relation is that all the factors have a difference of 6 between them. That is 7 और 13 के बीच में 6 का गैप है और 13 और 19 के बीच में भी 6 का गैप है. सी, 13 minus 7 is equal to 6, 19 minus 13 is equal to 6. Soon we are going to start interactive classes, जिसमें आप लोगों को क्लास में बैठ के जैसे पढ़ाते थे वैसे ही पढ़ाया जाएगा. We are working upon that. Okay, so whenever the class will start, we will let you inform a period before that. कुछ टाइम पहले ही आपको बता दिया जाएगा. Okay, so मेंटेन द डिसिप्लिन इन दैट क्लास ऑल्सो सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज उसकी कोई रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो नहीं होगी कि आप बार बार चला के देख सकें. ऑल राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.